Welcome to my stay here in Cartagena. This Airbnb instantly felt like home. The building is safe, modern, and well maintained, and once you step inside, it's even better. The apartment is spotless, beautifully decorated, and designed with a touch of luxury that makes it super comfortable. The living room is spacious, the kitchen is fully equipped, and the bedrooms are bright and relaxing. The hosts are also amazing, very kind and quick to respond whenever I had a question. One of the highlights has to be the rooftop. There's a stunning infinity pool with panoramic views of the Caribbean, plus a stylish sunken lounge built right into the water. It's the perfect place to watch the sunset or just relax after a day in the city. Stick around to the end of the video and you will see what I'm talking about. Honestly, one thing I love about this location is the pros outweighs the cons, okay? The location is ideal too. El Cabrero is just minutes from Getsemaní and the walled city, with beaches nearby, so you can get both the convenience and peace and quiet. If I had to mention one small thing, which I'm talking about like the con, sometimes Uber drivers stop at the back of the building instead of the front. Hey, I don't blame them because it was kind of confusing at first, but it always get resolved quickly, so honestly, it's not a big deal. Overall, I'll rate this stay a solid 9 out of 10. If you'd like to stay here too, I'll drop the direct booking link in the bio. After this intro, I won't be talking anymore. I'll let you enjoy the full walkthrough and really take in the apartment and rooftop pool. Hope you enjoy it. Will you book a stay here? Let me know right in the comments.
You wanna be, and I'm stunned till I can't. You wanna live how you wanna spin, what you wanna be, who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I can't.
I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on his shirt. You don't believe his stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I'd be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserve good things. Fist full of diamonds, head full of rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. A baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Yeah. Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99 and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know what you want. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. You're the type of woman deserves good things. Fist full of diamonds, a head full of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Oh, baby, good love and protection. Oh, make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love you, love you. Baby, you should let me love you, love you, love
Making a dangerous move, can you match my timing? Telling me that you really about it, what you're hiding. Talk is cheap,